Hi guys, excuse me, I have to clear my throat. Uh, Hello everyone, hi guys, it's Saturday, July the 8th. It is hot. It is a beautiful sunny Saturday. There's not a cloud in the sky. I'm just about to take a break. My throat is all parched. I got to get some water. It's like 30 degrees out this afternoon and I am working. I'm here in my yard. I'll just pan around and there's my car. I am putting new brakes on the rear of my car. I'm sorry, I'm going to make this video short because I really need some water and I'm going to take a rest, take a break. I got the rear tires off it. I just put new brakes on this side here. I just finished putting new brake pads. I'm just putting new pads on it. I'm not putting new rotors on it, not yet. I'll see how long these brake pads last and if they, I just wanted to get in here and do this job. I never did a brake job on this car before. So I just wanted to do it the one time, replace the pads. The pads were completely worn out. I'll show you the old pads. Sorry, covering the camera. These are the old pads, and there's nothing left to them. So they were scraping, and anyway, I replaced this side here. It's all done. I'm about to put the tire back on, and then I'll come around this side. I got the camper all opened up. All my tools are out. It's a beautiful, hot, sunny day. Just perfect day for working. So now I am about to put the new pads on this side. And I'll get the new pads on her. And then this afternoon, I got to go into Sydney for the afternoon. So I'll take it for a little test drive and see how the brakes are working. Hopefully no more squealing and they work fine. I got the camper van all cleaned out today and such a beautiful day. Oh, I got a big new generator here. That's for the building when the power goes out. So got a generator, lots of power now. And yeah, I'll just pan around to the camper. Here's the camper. I got the bed all opened. The back doors are all open, airing it out. Today is cleaning and laundry day. So I'm getting it all cleaned and yeah, get it ready for tomorrow. And tomorrow it's supposed to be hot and sunny. So tomorrow I'll be doing the outside of the car, washing, cleaning the windows, cleaning the interior, do the camper van as well. Got to pick up my laundry later. Everything's getting washed. Anyway, I am going to have a little break, get some water, and have something to eat, and then I'll finish the rest of the brake job. Hope everybody else has a great weekend, and we'll talk to you real soon. Bye for now.